In Africa, some of the biggest business opportunities are hidden inside inefficiency, logistics, energy, payments, agricultural supply chains, cross-border trade. These are not small problems. They are multi-billion-dollar opportunities. After more than 200 conversations with founders and operators across different African markets, one thing becomes very clear. In Africa, the companies that win are often the companies that reduce friction, not simply the companies with the best technology. Take M-Pesa. It became one of Africa's most important businesses by solving a fundamental infrastructure problem around payment and financial access. The same is true for the likes of Flutterwave. Its value is not just software, it is reducing the complexity of moving money across fragmented African markets. Even businesses like Price Pally are not really e-commerce stories, they are supply chain stories. And when you look at industrial groups such as Dangote Group, you see this pattern at an even larger scale. The Dangote refinery is not simply an oil project, it is energy infrastructure, industrial infrastructure, supply chain infrastructure. As demand for refined fuel grows across African markets, the refinery is already exporting products across the continent. And now Dangote is exploring plans to replicate that model in other parts of Africa, including East Africa. That changes the conversation completely. This is not about building another app. This is about building systems that entire economies depend on. The biggest misconception about African innovation is that Africa needs to produce its version of Silicon Valley. It does not. Africa's next billion-dollar companies will emerge from solving African market realities, reliable energy, efficient logistics, trade infrastructure, financial access, industrial production, because in Africa, the companies that reduce friction at scale become the platforms of the future economy. These are just my thoughts. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and follow the page.